Would you like to have another option for your marine die casting supply? Welcome to Sunrise Metal to embark on a journey of precision manufacturing. Aluminum alloy die casting partner. Sunrise Metal always upholds the principle of quality first, providing customers with high-quality precision die casting products. We have obtained IATF 16949, ISO 13485, and ISO 9001 certifications, ensuring quality assurance for both domestic and international customers. Scope of business. Sunrise Metal offers a one-stop aluminum alloy die casting service. From initial prototype creation, mold design, die casting production, to precision machining and various surface treatments, our professional team will follow your project to ensure smooth operation throughout its entire life cycle. About us. We have over 10 years of manufacturing experience in the marine electronics industry, serving numerous global customers. If you have any questions about marine aluminum alloy die castings, please leave a comment or send us an email at